Okay, today we're going to show you how to install Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You should have an Adobe Creative Cloud desktop icon on your computer. If you don't, just let us know. And once you open that up, you're going to sign in with your CCOE email. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your CCOE email account, then it's going to ask for that code sent as a text message or a phone call to your cell phone. Once you have given it the code and verified, you'll see you have a lot of options here of things to install. For right now, we're just going to go ahead and install Acrobat DC. Make sure if you don't see that, click All Apps on the top left and then go click Install on Acrobat DC. And go ahead, you can just click Next out of these or ignore these little pop-up windows here. If you click the little cloud symbol on the top right, it'll tell you your progress on installing. And we're just going to skip ahead to opening the application. Now that it's finished install, you'll see under a list of installed applications, you'll see Acrobat DC there, and a button says Open, and also give a desktop icon on your desktop as well. The first time you open it, it asks if Adobe Acrobat can be your default PDF application. We're going to click yes. And then I'm going to follow the prompts here, just continue. And then click change and change it from whatever's there to Adobe Acrobat DC. Make sure not to choose Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, but just Acrobat DC. And then we're going to click OK on this window and continue. And that's it. You now can close all these windows if you want, and you have it on your desktop there. Thanks.